Before we get started reading our book about the disappearing honeybees, I'd like to share with you some vocabulary words that we're going to meet when we read this text. And I think we can also use those words to help us start to make some predictions about what might be causing the honeybees to disappear. The first word is apiaries. You can see I have a picture there for you. Those are places where bees are kept. Forage is the next word, and that is the search for food. And you can see a picture of that bee searching for foods. That word is forage. The next word is parasite. A parasite is an organism that lives on another organism, and I put a little arrow to show you a parasite that is on one of those honeybees. You can see it looks like some sort of a little bug or something. We're going to find out a little bit about that when we read. Pathogen is the next word, and that is an organism that causes a disease. You can see there's just some pictures of some things that might be causing diseases for the bees. Pesticides are chemicals that are meant to kill pests. And you know, we use some pesticides sometimes in our own yard. So you can start to think about what might be happening with pesticides and the bees. Sanctuaries are a place for safety for bees or anybody, but in this case, it'll be a place of safety for the bees. Colony collapse disorder, also known as CCD, is this condition that happens when worker bees disappear from the colony and only leaves a few young ones and the queen behind, so the colony can't survive. They call that colony collapse disorder. I've also got a little picture on here to show you just some parts of the flower when the bee is in that flower. So you can take a look at that as well.